Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial section. If this is your first time being in this channel, please kindly click that subscribe button, and if you haven't subscribed yet and you're always here, please kindly do so as well. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at calculations in Excel, and you will see this table that is here. We'll be looking at addition, and here is the symbol, how it's written in Excel, division, / multiplication, we have the asterisk here, subtraction, we have the hyphen. There are three types of inputs that you enter into a spreadsheet. One, data cells, which are values like numbers. Two, label cells, which are text. Three, formula cells, which are mathematical calculations. So all of that you'll be seeing in this particular tutorial. I already typed out some information that I will paste here, and we'll be looking at addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All right, so I would just widen the width of column C by double clicking at that point, and also widen the width of column D by double clicking at that point. All right, so like I did explain, this is the label cells, which are text, and here are the data cells, which are values like numbers, and we'll be working with calculations. All right, so in this column B we have the addition, so we'll be performing some addition. For this, we'll add the value for B2 and B3 and place the value in B4. So to do that, you click on the B4 and type in the equal sign. Now a formula always starts with an equal sign. If you don't type an equal sign, Excel would see that formula as a test. Remember, this part is the calculation, so you always start with the equal sign. Now key in B, that's B2 plus B3, and either you press the enter key on your keyboard, or up here where you have this enter, click this check mark, and the value of B2 and B3 is placed in B4. Okay, now we move over to column C, which is subtraction. Click on C4 and type in, we want to key in the formula there. Before we key in formula, you need to put in the equal sign, and now we say C2 minus, which is a hyphen, C3. So what it does is C2 minus C3, and now either you press your enter key or you go over to the formula bar and click that check mark there. Now we have the value placed in B4. Click on D4 and type in the equal sign. We'll be performing multiplication, which is asterisk. So to do that, either you type in D2 in this D4, but I will just click over the D2 and press the asterisk and click on D3. Now I'll go ahead and click over there the check mark, so the value will be placed. So now I have placed the value of D2 multiplied by D3 in D4. Click on the E4. E4 is the hyphen. First, I need to place the equal sign. then click on E2 and press the hyphen, click on E3 and click there, which is a check mark in the formula bar over there. So that's it. You've seen how to perform simple calculation in Excel. So I'll just go ahead and make this bold, do again simple formatting of the document, make it bold, make this other aspect bold. Before you make any apply any command, you need to select that aspect, make this point bold as well. So I would apply borders, all borders to this document. Select everything, go to where you have font tab, font group, click on that borders icon, the drop down arrow, and here we have all borders, and there we go. I would then apply background color to the heading over there, selecting it, all of it, font group, click on the drop down arrow where I have fill color, and I'll change that background color to white background 1 darker 25%. I'll do the same over here. Select this aspect and apply the same background formatting on it. And here I want to, because these are calculations, right? So I'll just place the word total at that point and use the format printer as we discussed the last time. Select A3 and click format printer so I can apply the same formatting on A4. So that's it. Now I want to separate this total from this other aspect of the cells. So I would select row 4, the cells I want to apply borders to, and then go to the font group, click on the border icon and place bottom border, tick bottom border, tick bottom border. Cool. Tick bottom border. I will do the same. It's not showing it placed under there, so I'll just select this again, row 3, and click that. Now I have tick bottom border, just separating this information to the total. Good. I hope you do understand this aspect, the simple aspect of Excel calculations. As you progress, you will see other versions of calculations. Don't forget to drop your comments in the comment sections below, and I will see you in the next video.